name is Matthew, and I am currently doing React Native homework number one. And in number one, I'm also going to show the in-class work, part 7, because I did get an extension on this due to family issues. So for this, this first part says text, some text, text. So this just shows in my app as some text at the top. I just refresh it to show you that it's still there. It's not really a screenshot. So with that, it shows that I have some text in there. So with that, we were able to start making headers, which I'm going to start letting in the import for the headers to come here because I have header in a whole new part right here. So with this whole header part, this is everything, and it should say albums with the style, the view style, and the text style. So when I reload this page, it will say albums right here. And now I can obviously take this style and redo a bunch of things like increase the text. Now I increase the font to such a size that it will not show. So I'll just take it back to 20 and reload it to have it right there. And then I'll just show you something that is super easy to see. I will take the shadow opacity and change it to 0.09. And when I do that, as you can see, it gets darker underneath here. So this shows me that my styling is working. I'm just going to change it back to 2. And then that's good. So basically, now in my code, I am going to start to bring back everything that I need. So I'm going to start bringing back all my props and stuff to show off my props header. And I could delete this header part right there. This view header, album list, and the view. Now view is not defined, so I have to define it back up into here. And because text wasn't defined down there, I gotta take text off here. So this part right here, this shows that I'm importing header from, this part is my directory. SRC is right here, which is a folder in there. In that folder, I have components, and then I have the header.js. So now when I reload the page, I'll have everything that I've done in the app so far. So that all comes from the album list. I have, this is where it's importing the music from. This is printing to the console, so if I run a debugger and I have it connected to Google Chrome, it will show the console in there with what I need to know. And this is importing all the stuff that it needs for there. The album details. This is all the details for the album and what it's going to show. Card section is obviously right here. There'll be music cards to show the album cover. So these are just styling how the cards look, and then cards. This is styling how it looks, and this is styling the size of it. So that's basically what I've learned in this section, is how to create a good looking app for my album so far. And as I get into homework too, I will learn more to make this look like a real app. But this is how it looks so far. I can't get Expo to run on my computer for some odd reason, so I have it just running out of my terminal. Um, as I get to class, I'll ask how to get it ran, because I've been trying for days to get it run and it just hasn't been running. So that's all I've learned from these sections.